Okay, I made something cool in Yeeps and Seek. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. And by the way, I'm in the new wiring update, and I saw this in a Wilds map, and then I'm like, I could build that. So here I am. 3, 2, 1. Yeah, you've probably seen this in a Wilds map before. Look at that. It's a cool. I think the more I press it, the more it will be more automatic. Oh, dude, that's actually sick. Okay, I literally just finished building it. It took me pretty long. Oh, dude, that's sick. It's literally a whole wave, bro. It's a repeating wave. It's like a tsunami. I literally just figured out how to build it, so I just built it. Because it, oh, it's like I'm in a tsunami, bro. It's so cool. It's so fun. Look, if you come over here, you could just go. Should I paint it purple because I don't have blue? And that's like, it's literally blue, just with a little purple color to it. Maybe the purple part could be like a. Look at that. Alright, let me go. That took me like a long time to build. It took me around. Actually, it didn't take me that long. It only took me like 15 minutes actually. So the more I press the button, the more it will be automatic. Look at that. And look at it. It'll go like. So again, it'll go all the way down. I literally bought this automatic door just for this video, just to build this. So please like and subscribe. I was literally planning to actually save my butt coins. No! You have to try to not get knocked off. I wonder what happens if I. Nothing happens. Literally nothing happens. What happened? Oh, dude. Look at that. Alright, so how it works? Okay, so look at. Whenever I press this wire, it triggers all of these to go down, and it makes that cool effect. Look at cool ocean effect. So I put this around the thing so it could loop over and over again. It feels so cool. And this is the waterfall. And I still got the cloning machine. And I got some rare blocks. We're gonna make another floor. It's gonna be a rare item block. Lime green thing, lime green gnome, lime green cheese, rare block, lime green thing. Bruh. Look at that. That looks so sick. Like, it never stops. I don't know how to stop it. Oh, actually, hold on. I know how to stop it. There. Take one wire off. And then press this button. It'll go down. And then watch. It'll barely repeat. So do it again. And boom. It'll start actually repeating a little more. And then slowly but surely. It'll go. Ready? You have to keep pressing it. Look at that. You see that? See that? Look at that. Ready? So one more time. Perfect. Alright. Now, if we get on it, ready? Let me go up here. Oh wow! No! No! Oh! Luke 137. No, not again. What if I put 1 right there? What if I put a button? Okay. Ready? By the way, I did not, like, credits to whoever first built this. I don't know who built this. I just saw it in a Wilds map. I was planning to make it go all the way over there. Should I do that? I think so. Tutorial time! Thank you. Okay, now I need to get a big door and place it like this. It has to be like this. It doesn't matter if you gotta go walk your fish. It has to be like this. Perfect. Lay like that. It has to be not this side, the other side. Because if it's the other side, then it's gonna go over here, and we don't want that. And then it will be uneven with the rest. Now I gotta paint them. I got literally so many wiring stuff because I'm like really good with redstone stuff in Minecraft. So I'm like, when I first saw this, when I first saw this, I was like, okay, there it goes, my bank account. Like literally, my bank account. I don't know where it went, bro. I honestly don't know. Okay. Alright, now we're gonna go with that. And then, last piece, boom. Now, problem coming in. Why did I say now so long? Yeah, so here I noticed a problem. It wasn't going back normally as it normally does. So later in the video I had to take away the extra blocks. And it wasn't repeating normally, as you guys could see right now. It's not really repeating and being a wave. So yeah, that's what's going on here, and I had to remove those blocks in a second. And wait, I'll remove the blocks right. I don't know where. Why is it still? Oh hey, it's me again. Yeah, I'm taking away the blocks now. I didn't know when I was gonna take away the blocks, so yeah, it's future me. Yay! I'm in my bed editing this video. Yeah, I was removing the wires, putting them away, and I'm gonna also remove the blocks in a sec. Yeah, I'm just breaking them because it won't work sadly. But yeah, just keep watching the video. You know, I'm still here. Oh, yeah, I had to use a different block for that because it won't connect properly. Okay, now I remove that, and now it should work. Oh, I forgot to remove those blocks there. So, I removed those blocks. And, you guys could get back to watching the video. Just kidding, I think I'm gonna be here for the whole video. Why are you doing that? I don't know. Okay, no, it still works, still okay, works. I just noticed, in the beginning, while I was editing, I noticed that it was already like that. It had a weird, like, it did that already a little bit, but not as bad as that. But, yeah, it's still, here, it's still being a wave, and it's still repeating and being a wave, and it's working, and it's working. Okay, let me stop yapping, just get back to the video. I'm not lying at all. I had an extremely fun time building this. It was really fun building this. Another one, and then after that, another one. That's it. You know, gotta go. I saw the map, the wild time go around the whole entire map. I made it. No. I'm gonna push it. By the way, if you made it this far into the video, thank you for watching. Just put this emoji on screen in the comments if you've been watching this far, because that's actually crazy. If you guys don't want to see Yeeps content, then if you guys don't want to see Yeeps content, then comment what you guys want to see us do. Because honestly, I like Yeeps. It's pretty fun. But we'll also make a grow type video actually really soon. I just have to do all the editing, which is gonna take a long while. What? That was pretty cool. It's actually really fun. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. It helps a ton. Like guys, literally, it helps a lot. If you just like and subscribe, just hit a button. That's literally all I want you guys to do. Hit a button. Make a little button. It's completely free. You don't need to pay to subscribe. I don't know why YouTubers say that. I'm just saying it because other people say it. Bruh. Get a lot of views and stuff. Please like and subscribe. It helps a ton. I mean it. Like, it helps a lot if you just click one button, or not 2 buttons actually, like and subscribe. And by the way, if the like button is not white or blue like this, then that means you haven't clicked it. So click it. I know I keep saying like and subscribe, please, because I see YouTubers do that a lot, okay? Bruh. So, you know what? I could do it too. I'm a YouTuber. I'm a content creator. You know what I'm saying? Actually, we kind of do have to make more Yeeps content, because we also might become a lab rat. So yeah, that's exciting. Ready? I'm gonna jump. Ready? I'm gonna go jump. You can literally like glide yourself with the propellers in the air, like. I landed on the cross. Okay, that's actually the end of the video now. Please like and subscribe. This video Yeah. Also, shout out again to whoever built this. I'll look for a video if someone built this. If they first built it, then I'll link the channel in the description. Go, guys, check in the description. I don't know yet if I put it in the description. Maybe, maybe not. So, okay, enough talking. Bye. For real this time, bye.